Hi everyone, welcome to this channel. And in this video, I will tell you and show you how you can see comments in the application X or Twitter. Please subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to put likes, write comments. And let's get started. And first of all, I advise you to update your X app or see if you have it updated. You can do this on both iPhone and Android. On iPhone, you'll need to go to the App Store. On iPhone, you'll need to go to the Play Store. When you go to the search box, you just type in X and you find this app. If you have a refresh button here instead of open, then you click Update. This will take up to a minute. Once the app is updated, you open it. If you want to look at the comments here, for example, you'll see underneath each post there are buttons like this that show the statistics, the number of likes, reposts, and also comments. And if you click on the comments button here, the only thing you can do is comment on the post that you've chosen, but there's no way to see the other comments that other people have left. In order to see that, you have to click on a post that you like. Only at the top after the username where it says when the post was published. So it could be 21 hours ago, 1 day ago, 1 day ago, and so on. It could be 3 hours there, 7 hours there, and so on. Any time that it says, you just click on that time. And that's how you open that particular post that you liked. And now, if you swipe down, you can see the comments that other people have left under that post at X. And you'll be able to read other people's comments. It's like this. I hope this video was helpful to you. You figured out how you can see comments in the X app, whether it's on your iPhone or on Android. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Be sure to give us your likes and comments. See you later.